Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So guys, today our topic is Android photo recovery and recover deleted or lost from image from Android phone. So photos are essential for almost every Android phone users and nobody wants to lose them at any cost. But if your precious moments are lost or deleted from Android smartphone, then you have came to the right place. Here in this video I am going to discuss how to recover lost photos from Android phones using Android phone recovery. We'll also look at some other ways as well as to retrieve missing pictures from Android. To recover deleted photos from Android, we recommended this tool. Download this data recovery tool for PC only or Mac only. So select the storage media you wish to recover data from, the clicks to scan preview files before recovery, and choose recover option to restore deleted data from the Android. So best software to retrieve deleted photos from Android phone. Android Photos Recovery is a perfect and popular photos recovery tool that is designed to recover deleted or erased lost photos from Android phones or tablets. This software is easy to use and supports image formats such as PNG, JPG, JPEG, GIF, WebP, and TIFF, and many other formats. This software is amazing as it has a high success recovery rate. Recovery lost photos from cloud. There are many photos, apps, and clouds features that allows you to back up your precious photos to save from unexpected data loss situations. If this is done, then the chance of getting back photos is high because they are not actually deleted. Generally, when photos are deleted from the Android phone's gallery, then those photos are not removed from Google Cloud from Cloud Backup. So you just need to log into the Cloud app and download the required pictures from here. Method 1 is get back deleted photos from Android using Google Photos. You might be familiar with the Google Photos app that stores your pictures for 60 days. If your photos are deleted, then you have the option to retrieve them before 60 days. Number 2 is recover lost Android photos using Google Drive. You are familiar with Google Drive as well as that stores lot of data that is important for you. You can store up to 15 GB data, and whenever you face a data loss situation, then using Google Drive you can easily restore them. You just need to follow this step. First you have to open Google Drive app and tap on three dot and top left, and then tap on trash icon. Now here you have select lost pictures to other data and you want to restore, then top of the three vertical dozen on screen. How to get back lost photos from SD card? Do remember that whatever photos are stored in the gallery, they are either saved in internal storage or in the SD card. So whenever your picture is lost from the Android gallery, you should use a recovery program to recover delete photos from Android gallery. How to recover deleted Android photos without computer? Several times it happens that you don't have a cloud backup or a memory card option. In such situation, it becomes really hard to retrieve deleted photos from Android phones. But there are several apps available online that you can help you in this data loss situation. If you want to need that applications, then ask me in comment section. I will make a video for you. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please guys subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon to get every notification of our new video. Thank you so much.